SuiteDash is a powerful tool that can help you create a seamless client experience, but is it the right fit for you? In this video, we'll take a quick dive into how SuiteDash works and whether it lives up to the hype when it comes to managing clients and workflows. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might work even better for your needs, with exclusive offers just for our viewers. So let's get started. First off, SuiteDash combines CRM, project management, client portal, and invoicing in one platform. This can save you time by eliminating the need for multiple tools. With its easy-to-navigate dashboard, you can instantly get a view of all your active clients, tasks, and projects. The idea is that it offers a one-stop shop for client management, making it easy to deliver a smooth and professional experience. Next thing, SuiteDash offers automation features like automatic notifications and task reminders. You can set up workflows to trigger actions, such as sending clients automated emails or updating project statuses. This takes a lot of the manual work off your plate, which can help maintain a consistent and timely client experience. But while it's effective, the learning curve can be a bit steep for new users, so be prepared to invest time in learning the system. The third thing you'll appreciate about SuiteDash is its client portal. Clients can log in, view their projects, make payments, and even communicate with you directly within the platform. It really gives that VIP feeling to your clients, as everything they need is in one place. However, some users have noted that the interface can be a bit clunky, especially for clients who aren't tech-savvy. So, while the functionality is there, it's not the most intuitive experience for everyone. Now, let's talk about customization. SuiteDash gives you the ability to brand the platform with your logo and custom colors, which adds a layer of professionalism and cohesion to your business. You can also tailor forms and documents to match your company's tone and style. But keep in mind, the customization options aren't as extensive as some other platforms, which could limit you if you're looking for advanced design flexibility. The fifth thing to consider is SuiteDash's pricing. It offers tiered plans that scale with your business needs, but it can get a bit pricey as you move up the ladder. The basic plan offers decent value, but some critical features like the client portal and advanced automations only come with the higher tier options. It's important to assess whether these features are worth the investment for your business, especially when comparing to other solutions that might offer similar features at a more competitive price. Finally, although SuiteDash is a robust platform, it's not the only option out there. For those who want a smoother, more user-friendly experience, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better. I'll talk about these at the end of the video, but keep in mind that some competitors might offer better solutions for your specific goals. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that we've got an exclusive and extended free trial for SuiteDash available through our link, so you can test it out yourself and see if it fits your needs. But don't go just yet. I've also included some amazing alternatives that have free trials and are better suited for the goal of creating a truly seamless client experience. So, make sure you check out the link in the description below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.